This ride-on luggage is so cute. Go ahead and get up from it. Now, this is my 7-year-old. We were using this more when they were very, very little. I mean, she can still ride on it, which is kind of crazy. But this part you can use as a leash to pull your child, and then you can also clip it over here, and then it becomes a really easy to use shoulder strap. So what we would do when we would travel with our kids when they were really, really little was use this as their personal item or carry-on bag on a plane. I think she needs to unlock it right now. So this leaf actually unlocks this. So if you wanted to have it in the locked position, you can. You can use the other side. Oh no, that side. Okay.
It needs
A little twist on it. There you go. And then there's the inside. And this actually has a clip and everything. So we actually would just load this with diapers. And that was kind of our hack when we were traveling through the airport with 2 little ones. One could sit on this and go for a nice little ride. And then also they can keep it in their bedroom as just like a cool little storage thing. Again, it lights up. The battery area is right here for that. Super cute, and then it just has these little wheels. But I'm telling you, this thing works so great at airports, and we would get stopped all the time with people asking where we got it. Did you love this when you were a little kid?
Yes, we still kind of love it.